Good day, I am Jomel Monedero from BTBT at FSM 3B, and now I will be discussing about the principle of adult learning by Knowles Theory. So the objectives of this topic: first, at the end of the lessons, the student are expected to first identify and explain Knowles' 6 assumptions of adult learning. The second one, analyze how each assumptions influence adult learners' behavior and engagement. And the last one, apply Knowles assumptions to designs or to improve instructional strategies for the adult learners. So now let's proceed to the Knowles assumptions about adult learning. So we have 6 assumptions. First, the self-concept. The second one is experience. The third one is readiness to learn. And the fourth one, problem-centered orientation, followed by internal motivations. And the last one, the need to know. Self-concept. Adults perceive themselves as independent, self-directing learners who can navigate learning the way they want to. So here in the self-concept, so nakikita ng mga adults natin na learners ang kanilang sarili bilang independent at may kakayahang magdesisyon. So para sa kanilang sarili. So mas gusto nilang matuto sa paraan at bilis na komportable sila sa kanilang gusto. So dahil dito mahalaga na bigyan sila ng kalayaan at control sa kanilang pagkatuto as an adult learning. So the next one is the experience. So life and other experience shape the way adults are motivated to learn and how they can develop and improve their skills. So here in the experience, so gamit ang kanilang mga karanasan sa buhay tulad ng trabaho, pamilya o edukasyon at personal na pinagdadaanan, ay nakakaapekto ito sa kung paano sila matuto as a adult learning. So ginagamit nila ito sa kanilang mga dating karanasan upang maunawaan at iugnay ang bagong kaalaman, kaya mas mabilis silang maka-adapt kapag may connection na sila sa tunay na buhay. The next one is readiness to learn. So social rule change over times, and this influence the openness of the adults that learning new things and adapt to the change and rules. So here in the readiness to learn, so ang pagiging handa ng ating mga adults learning na matuto ay na-influensya ng pagbabago ng kanilang papel sa lipunan. So for example, yung pagiging magulang, empleyado or pinuno, kapag may bagong responsibilidad o pangangailangan, so nagiging mas bukas sila na matuto ng bagong kasanayan as an adult learning. Let's come now to the problem-centered orientations. So the problem-centered orientations are problems or challenge as a learning opportunities that motivates the adults to learn and solve their problems. So dito sa problem-centered orientation, so mas epektibo na natututo ang mga adults nating na learning kapag ang pag-aaral ay nakatuon sa pagresolba ng mga problema. So kapag nakikita nila na ang isang challenge or yung mga challenge na nakakaharap nila, so mas mabilis nila itong masolusyonan at nagiging mas motivate pa silang gawin kung ano yung dapat nilang gawin. International motivations. So here in the international motivation, the accumulations of independence, expression, social rules, challenge, and other influence create the willingness and initiatives to learn. So ang mga adults nating learning ay mas natututo dahil sa pansariling nilang motivasyon or motivation. Hindi lamang dahil sa panlabas ng gantimpala. So ang kanilang ang kanilang mga karanasan, pangarap o hamon na kanilang hinaharap ay nag-uudyok sa kanila na mas magpatuloy or matuto pa sa kanilang pag-aaral or sa kanilang pag-unlad as an adult. The need to know. So here in the need to know, knowing how learning something will impact the current or near future situation pushes the adult to learn and develop new skills. So, kinakailangan munang maintindihan ng mga adults kung bakit nila dapat pag-aralan ang isang bagay. So, kapag alam na nila ang kahalagan at epekto ng kaalaman sa kanilang kasalukuyan o hinaharap, so mas sa hinaharap o sitwasyon, mas nagiging masigasig sila na matuto at maunawaan kung ano dapat yung kinakailangan. So that ends for the presentations for the principles of adult learning by Knowledge Theory. Any questions for this topic? And if it not, thank you so much.